Bladé cancer te best treatment option. Bladé cancer y a 10 inouïs malignant, cancer, self-forming tissues of the bladé. Smoking can affect the risk of bladé cancer. Signs symptoms of bladé cancer include blood in the urine en peindurie, urination. Test ta examine te urine en bladé à rusette ou help detect, en diagnose bladé cancer. Certains facteurs affectent prognosis, chance of recovery, en treatment option. Bladé cancer y a 10 inouïs malignant, cancer, self-forming tissues of the bladé. Bladé y a le organ in the lower part of the abdomen. Iti chaped licas mal ballonant a muscular walta aloit tout jet large or smale to store urine ma de bit kidney. The rare to kidney, on side of the backbone, above the west. Tiny tubulin te kidney filtré en clean te blood. Tête à caout twast product en mac urine. Urine passe from a kidney through galon tube qu'à la urte un tot bladé. Bladé holt urine intilite passe through urethra en live te body. The rare type of bladé cancer tab gene cell in the lining of the bladé. The cancer are named for the type of cell tab comme malignant, cancerous. Transitional cell carcinoma, cancer tab gene in cell in the innermost tissue layer of the bladé. The cell arable to stretch when the bladé full encherie inquenity en psie. Most bladé cancer gene in the transitional cell. Transitional cell carcinoma cambe lograde or grade. Lograde transitional cell carcinoma often recur, come back, after treatment, bura release predintot muscle layer of the bladé or to te part of the body. Y-grade transitional cell carcinoma often recur, come back, after treatment often predintot muscle layer of the bladé, to te part of the body, en tout lymph node. Almost all dit from bladé cancer are due to Y-grade disease. Squamous cell carcinoma, cancer tabogien in squamous cell, oui certain, flacelltama forming te bladé after long terme infection or irritation. Adenocarcinoma, cancer tabogien in glandular, secretory, celta are found in the lining of the bladé. Ti a very rare type of bladé cancer. Smoking can affect the risk of bladé cancer. Risk factor for bladé cancer include using tobacco, especially smoking cigarette. Having a family history of bladé cancer. Having certain change in the genotar linked to bladé cancer. Being exposed to pain, metal, or petroleum product in the workplace. Past treatment with radiation therapy to the pelvis or with certain anti-cancer drug. Taking aristologia fanchi, achines herb. Drinking water from a velta high level of arsenic. Drinking water have been treated with chlorine. Having a history of bladé infection, including bladé infection caused by schistosoma hematobium. Using urinary catheter for a long time. Symptômes. Blood in urine, slightly rusty to bright red in color. Froque urination. Peindurie, urination. Loebac pain. Test ta examine te urine en bladé à rusette ou help detect, en diagnose bladé cancer. The following test en procédure ma abused. Physical exam en history. En exam of the body to check general sign of health, including checking for sign of disease, such pour anything else that is unusual. A history of the patient health en past illness en treatment will also be taken. Internal exam, en exam of the vagina en bar oblique or rectum. The doctor insert lubricated, glove phangien to the vagina en bar oblique or rectum to fell for lymph. Urinalysis, attest to check the color of urine en I content, such as sugar, protein, red blood cell, en white blood cell. Urine cytology. A laboratory test in which a sample of urine is checked under a microscope for abnormal cell. Cystoscopy, a procedure to look inside the bladé en urethra to check for abnormal area. A cystoscopy inserted through urethra into the bladé. A cystoscopy atteint, tubelic instrument with a light en allant for viewing. It may also available to remove tissue sample, which are checked under a microscope for signs of cancer. Biopsy, the removal of cell or tissue so taken via under a microscope by a pathologist to check for signs of cancer. A biopsy for blood cancer is usually done during cystoscopy. It may be possible to remove entire tumor during biopsy. Blood cancer treatment. Your blood cancer care is customized to include the most advanced therapy. Advanced surgical en reconstructive procedure. Laparoscopic robotic surgery. Conformal 3D en IMR radiothérapie. Immunothérapie, including Bacillus calmette-guérin, BCG. Latest chemothérapie option. Chemothérapie. Chemothérapie play a major role in the treatment of blood cancer as priad, metastases, toute lymph node, lung, live en haute part of the body. In the patient, chemotherapy is the frontline treatment. Radiation thérapie. Altug surgery is the frontline treatment for blood cancer, radiation treatment a role in certain patients. Immunothérapie. Bacillus calmette-guérin, BCG, a bacterial organism used to treat tuberculosis, it standard immunotherapy for superficial blood cancer. Genethérapie. The most effective and least invasive treatment targeted to specific cancer. The personalized medicine process above and beyond most cancer center allows to attack the specific cause of a cancer for the best outcome.